Is your Chevy Camaro key fob acting up? Reduced range, intermittent response, or complete failure are common signs of a weak battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that restores full remote functionality, including remote start, lock, unlock, and panic button features. This video will guide you through the process for 2016-2024 Camaro models. The 2016-2024 Chevy Camaro key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery is widely available at auto parts stores like O'Reilly, online retailers like Amazon, and even drugstores. Ensure you purchase a fresh battery from a reputable brand for optimal performance and to avoid potential leaks. You'll only need a few simple tools to replace your Camaro key fob battery: a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the key fob casing. A coin can also be used as an alternative to pry open the casing. A soft cloth can be helpful to protect the plastic from scratches. That's it. No special tools or programming equipment is required for most models. First, locate the small indentation or seam on the edge of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the indentation and gently pry the two halves apart. Some models might have a small screw securing the case. If so, remove it before prying. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. The key fob should open smoothly with gentle pressure. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring it's properly aligned in the compartment. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your bare fingers. After inserting the new battery, carefully snap or screw the two halves of the key fob back together. Now, test the key fob by pressing the buttons from a distance to confirm that it's working correctly. The remote lock, unlock, and other functions should be restored. In most cases, the key fob will automatically resync with your Camaro after battery replacement. However, if the key fob doesn't work, try cycling the ignition by turning the key on and off multiple times, typically 5 to 7 cycles. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions or visit a Chevrolet dealer for assistance. When replacing your Camaro key fob battery, always dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at auto parts stores or recycling centers. Wear gloves during the process to avoid transferring oils or fingerprints to the battery. If the key fob continues to malfunction after replacement, it may indicate a deeper electrical issue that requires professional attention.